Hi there and welcome to this month's Xero Tip. In this tip, I'll take you through 3 different methods that you can use to customize your dashboard within Xero. First, how to edit your dashboard. 2, how to add accounts to your account watch list. And 3, how to add in different graphs or reports to your dashboard when you log into Xero. So the first one of these, editing your dashboard. When you log into Xero, if you scroll down to the bottom of your dashboard, you can click on something that says Edit Dashboard. And what that will do is it will then enable you to hide any areas within your dashboard that you don't use. And you can also click and drag on any areas that you would like to have in a different place or have more prominence when you log into your Xero file. Once you've made those changes and click Save, that new layout will now be live. Now, this layout is unique to your login, so if you have other people that log into the same Xero file as you, they will not have this updated layout, but it will also mean that they have the freedom then to customize the layout that best suits them. So that's option 1. Option 2 is the account watch list. So this is where you can add specific account codes to show in a table on your dashboard when you log into Xero. So you can see that in this demo file, I've already got 4 codes here. If you haven't used this at all and you can't see this box on your screen, don't worry, you can still use it. It just means that none of your codes have been ticked on to this account watch list yet. To add a code to this list, go to Accounting and Chart of Accounts. Find the code in the list that you want to add to the dashboard, click on the code, and then down in the bottom left, tick Show on Dashboard Watch List. Once you click Save and update your dashboard, that code will now be sitting in that list. And if you didn't have a list before, that list will now appear and it will include the code that you've just ticked in there as well. So some examples of how this could be used. You could use it if you want to check to see whether your sales have reached a certain budget level for that month, and that means you can pick up sooner if you're perhaps tracking behind and need to push sales through more. I've also seen this used if you have a holding account or a suspense account or something where the money goes into the account and then should pop out again, so the account balance should always remain at nil. It's great to add those codes to this main watch list screen so that you can easily tell if that code has been cleared up or if there's something that you need to deal with, rather than waiting till you run a report and finding a big mess to deal with later. Now, unlike that first method, the account watch list will show on anyone's login that logs into your Xero file. So if you've got anyone where you'd rather not see these codes, then don't tick them on. So that's method 2. Method 3, if you go to Accounting and Reports, and then under the Reports section, if you go to, in that first section for Financial, click on More Reports and click on Business Performance. In the Business Performance tab, there is a list of reports or graphs that Xero has created, which you can add to your dashboard. So some examples of these are gross profit percentage, net profit on net sales percentage, debt ratio, accounts receivable days, quick ratio. So there's a number of different ones that you could be using. So if you have any that you want to keep a close eye on, such as gross profit percentage or accounts receivable days, you can click on the star beside the name of that particular graph, and it will now add that report to your dashboard. So if I now go back to my dashboard, I can now see that both of these graphs are now showing on this main screen. If I now click on accounts receivable days, it will then take me to another page, which will show me more details of that result. So it will show me the current month and what the days are looking like, and it will also give comparison to prior periods as well. So just to recap, 3 ways that we went through to customize your dashboard. First option is using the Edit Dashboard button down the bottom, which is unique to your login. Second option is going into account codes and ticking the Show on Dashboard Watchlist button. And third, going to the business performance page, which is under reports and financial, and then clicking on the star to add any reports to your main screen. Hopefully that helps you get more out of your dashboard within Xero, and let us know if you have any questions.